Chia seeds versus flax seeds. Which one is healthier? Some people add chia seeds to their smoothies for weight loss, better digestion, and heart health. Others say flax seeds are even better, claiming they help more with weight management, cholesterol, and blood sugar control. So the big question is, which one is actually better, chia or flax? Are chia seeds really the best for fullness and fiber, or do flax seeds offer more heart and metabolic benefits? In this video, we'll compare chia seeds and flax seeds using medical and nutrition research only. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand which supports heart health better, which helps cholesterol balance, which supports blood sugar control, and which is commonly preferred for weight loss, and which one may be best for you. So stay with me till the end. The final comparison may surprise you. Now, what are chia seeds and flax seeds? Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant and were used by the Aztecs and Mayans for energy and endurance. They absorb water and form a gel, which is why they are popular in puddings, smoothies, and oatmeal. Now, who should be careful with chia seeds? According to the National Kidney Foundation in USA, chia seeds are high in oxalates, which may increase the risk of kidney stones in some people. If you have a history of kidney stones, eat chia seeds with calcium-rich foods and consult your doctor before regular use. Talking about flax seeds come from the Linum usitatissimum plant and have been used for thousands of years in Middle Eastern diets. They are slightly larger and harder and are usually eaten ground, not whole. Talking about nutrition comparison per 28 grams, chia seeds have approximately 138 calories, have approximately 10 grams of fiber, and approximately 5 grams of omega-3, 4 to 5 grams of protein, higher calcium content, whereas flax seeds have approximately 150 calories, 8 grams of fiber, 6 grams of omega-3, and 5 grams of protein. Flax seeds contain slightly more omega-3. Chia seeds contain more fiber and calcium. Now, talking about heart health and cholesterol. One major reason people use these seeds is heart health. According to Harvard Health Publishing, dietary fibers help reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, lower triglycerides, increase HDL, the good cholesterol. Now, both seeds are rich in ALA and omega-3, which supports healthy blood vessels, healthy cholesterol levels, and cardiovascular function. Flax seeds contain slightly more ALA, giving them a small advantage for heart-focused nutrition. Other studies show both seeds help support healthy cholesterol levels when eaten regularly. Now, talking about anti-inflammatory benefits. Both chia and flax seeds contain omega-3 fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease, arthritis, metabolic disorders, and aging. Including these seeds regularly in your diet may help support overall wellness. Talking about blood sugar and digestion. This is where chia seeds shine. Chia seeds contain more total fiber, which slows digestion, slows sugar absorption, prevents blood sugar spikes, and keeps you full longer. Flax seeds contain soluble fiber that forms a soft gel in the gut, helping digestion and steady glucose response. So that means both support digestive health. Talking about weight loss and fullness, most people add these seeds for one reason: weight control. But do they burn fat? Not directly. How chia seeds help? Chia seeds have very high fiber. They form gel in stomach, slow digestion, increase fullness, and reduce appetite. This may help you eat fewer calories later. How flax seeds help? Flax contains soluble fiber, healthy fats, and plant protein. This combination slows stomach emptying, supports long-lasting fullness. Neither seeds causes weight loss alone, but both help by reducing hunger, supporting digestion, and helping you naturally eat less. And that's how sustainable weight loss works. Now, talking about bone health support, chia seeds contain calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, nutrients essential for bone strength and skeletal health. This makes chia especially helpful for aging adults and those concerned about bone density. Talking about hormone and women's health benefits, flax seeds are rich in lignans, unique plant compounds studied for their potential role in hormonal balance. They are often researched for benefits during menopause and women's health support. Now, how to eat them safely. Many people use these seeds incorrectly. Chia seeds can be eaten dry, but soaking improves digestion. Flax seeds should be ground for proper nutrient absorption. Drink enough water when increasing fiber intake. Now, how much should you eat? 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is generally sufficient. Start small and increase gradually. Next, who should consult a doctor first? People who take blood thinners, who have digestive disorders, who are preparing for surgery should consult a healthcare professional before significantly increasing intake of these seeds. Easy way to use them: you can add these seeds to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, salads, and baked goods. So what's the final comparison? For fullness and fiber, chia seeds are best. For omega-3 and heart health, go for flax seeds. For hormonal balance, flax seeds again. For bone support, it's chia seeds. For digestion, both chia and flax seeds. Best overall approach, use both together. Final thoughts: both chia and flax seeds are powerful additions to a healthy diet. The best choice isn't one or the other. It's understanding how each supports your body and using them in a way that fits your health goals. Hope this video helped you. I'll see you soon.